Alright, so we're going to be talking about this 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise. What that means is we use all four of our fingers, and we're using the first 4 frets of the guitar. Pointer finger on the first fret, middle finger on the second fret, ring finger on the third fret, and pinky on the 4th fret. And we're starting on this low E string. We do that on the low E. And then we move over to the A string. Then we move over to D. And then the G string. And then the B string. And then high E. And you can do this a bunch of different ways. You can go backwards, forward, you can start in the middle. Practicing with a metronome is the best way to do this. I know you might not like to hear that, but otherwise you can tap your foot. So every time you tap down, that would be a quarter note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll leave it at that for now. So that's quarter note using the 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise. Basically quarter notes on the 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise, tapping with your foot. The reason why we would tap with our foot or use a metronome is if you try to count, eventually you're going to get tired or your mouth's going to get dry, where you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I already got tired, so like, you tap your foot or use a metronome and keep on rocking. Give it a shot. Just come on, give it a shot. Give it a shot.